Hello, in this video I'll show you the location and how to remove and replace the windscreen washer tank on Mercedes ML280 ML350 ML350 ML500. The windscreen washer tank is located behind the front bumper and behind the wheel arch liner. So in order to get access to the windscreen washer tank, we need to remove the wheel arch liner and the front bumper. First, we'll start by removing the wheel arch liner. We're just going to remove the half of it. It's held by a couple of screws and also a couple of plastic clips. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Now that the wheel arch liner is removed, we can see the windscreen washer tank and also the windscreen washer pump. But in order to get access to the windscreen washer tank, we need to remove the front bumper as well. To remove the front bumper, first we're going to remove the wheel arch liner on the other side. It's held again by a couple of plastic screws and a couple of bolts. Now that the two wheel arch liners are removed, we're going to start removing the front bumper. The bumper is held here by this bolt, held to the wing, and the same on the other side. We're going to remove this bolt. And that's the bolt holding the bumper on the other side. Next, we're going to remove the engine under tray. The bumper is held by a couple of screws here on the bottom. There are 5 or 6 screws that we need to remove. Next, we'll go to the top of the car and remove the bolts holding the bumper on top. First, we're going to remove this front grill. It's held by those plastic clips that I'm showing you. Now that we've removed all the clips and the screws, we're going to pull out the front grill. It's held by these things, so we need to push them in and it will release the front grill. Next we're going to remove the bolts holding the front bumper. Now that all the bolts are removed, we're going to start removing the bumper. Before removing the bumper, we're going to remove these metal brackets that are holding the bumper to the wing on this side and on the other side as well. And now we're only going to pull out the bumper and it will come out. We're going to remove the metal bracket on this side as well. And now that everything is removed and the bumper is free on the wing, on the sides, we can pull out the bumper and remove it. Now that the bumper is removed, there's a couple of electrical connectors that we need to disconnect before being able to remove the bumper completely. Now that the bumper is removed, we have access to the windscreen washer tank. First, we're going to remove the two windscreen washer pumps from the tank. To remove the pumps, we only need to pull them out. Make sure you get something to catch all the fluid that's going to come out of the washer tank. Next, we're going to remove this pipe for the windscreen washer tank, the filler pipe. It's held by this bolt, and after we remove the bolt, we're going to pull out the pipe. Next, we're going to start removing the windscreen washer tank. It's held by a couple of bolts. That's the first one right there. Then there is one bolt on the bottom that we also need to remove. The bolt is located right there. It's a very tight spot, but you managed to get it. Before being able to remove the windscreen washer tank, we need to remove the bolts holding these headlight washers because they're in the way of removing the tank. Now that the headlight washer is removed, there is one more bolt holding the washer tank, and the bolt is right there. Now that all the bolts are removed, we can take out the washer tank and replace it. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.